Good day traders, and I welcome you again in the Forex Boat Trading Academy channel. And today I'm presenting you the analysis for the Australian versus New Zealand dollar currency pair. Before we get started, I would like to remind you that information in this video is for educational purpose only, should not be considered as a financial advice. Starting off with the simple trend line in order to see the direction of the trend. So I have applied simple trend line. We had the breakout of the trend line after price rejected 50 exponential moving average. First it was the support at this area, then price found the resistance at this similar area basically at 1.0442. So this has been a resistance, and price then broke with confidence below the previously established low. So now we have a lower lows and lower highs pattern, suggesting the validity of the downtrend. Considering that it's a downtrend, it would be reasonable to assume that the price will be moving down once again, and this is only the matter of finding the best opportunity for the expected trend. Now, in regards to that opportunity, there is a strong resistance at 38.2 pips here, which was applied to the overall move to the downside, and we can see there was a clean rejection today, and this level actually corresponds to 1.0900 psychological level, which makes it even stronger resistance. Besides, it was previous area of demand, now this is the area of supply. Of course, spikes above are possible and most likely will occur. Because this is, as usual, it's happening, and what I think will happen is that price will consolidate for another 24 hours maybe in order to test the downtrend trend line, and only then we'll start moving down. All in all, I think the daily close will be important to watch, because we need the daily close to remain below 1.0900 psychological resistance in order for the price to continue declining. Although at the same time, if there will be spike produced above, we need to make sure that the daily close will not be above the spike. So this should be watched, this level of resistance, and at some time this week it could provide opportunity for sellers when the price will move down. But if there will be break and close with confidence above this resistance, we can expect further growth. Although overall the trend will remain bearish, and we will get back to this analysis once again if there will be a breakout. But for now, what I do expect is the rejection, which already occurred. I expect price to continue maybe consolidating for the time being and then moving down. So what are the support levels? The first support is 78.6% fibs. This fibs was applied to the last wave up. Basically, I have taken the second point of the trend line. You can see that there was no bounces of the trend line, so this is the last rejection of the trend line. We had the breakout, so this is the fibs, and there are two of them, two levels, 78.6 at 1.0786, and second is the most important, is 88.6 fibs, which is at 1.0753 level. Now this level also corresponds to the previous resistance established back 2 months ago, nearly 3 months ago, and here we had again the rejection, and this could be now the support. Besides, I have applied fibs to the correction up where the trend line was acting as the resistance. There was a clear rejection, clean rejection of the trend line, so I have applied fibs, and we can see that 427.2 retracement level corresponds to 88.6% retracement level. So this could be the final downside target, although we need to watch the first support, which also could be rejected, and this is the nearest one that I see. Although at the same time there is a possibility, small possibility, that there will be a double bottom produced, and only then price will move up. All in all, it's a downtrend. It's still a valid downtrend, and it seems just a matter of time before there will be the decline. And now it's time to move back to the all previously published analysis and ideas. Australian Swiss franc in green, basically still expecting move to the upside. Price will most likely consolidate for the time being as well. Euro Swiss franc, same, expecting the resistance and the upside target to be tested. It's moving up quite nicely, although slowly. Canadian Japanese yen also expecting the scenario as per this chart, so we need to watch for the 80.42 support. Another 40 pips here decline is expected, and we'll see how it goes. If there will be a breakout, maybe even further decline can be expected. New Zealand Canadian dollar, here is the support 78.6, and it's being rejected along with both moving averages with the 50 period exponential and simple. And here we need to watch obviously the bottom at 87.48 for the breakout. Daily close and break below this level will most likely result in the downtrend, but as long as there is no daily close below this level, uptrend remains valid. Dollar Canadian, well, was a tricky, went down then up. This analysis invalidated, but just wanted to show you that yesterday I was still expecting the move to the upside. So maybe there will be a double top around this area, because I don't expect the resistance to be tested because of this breakout. So most likely a double top, and this is the could result now in a downtrend. So I will not be getting back to this analysis on the dollar CAD anymore. Just wanted to show you this rise that I was expecting. And yesterday's idea analysis for the New Zealand Swiss franc. So here uptrend, I still think we will move to the upside. Second scenario was suggesting the double bottom at this area, but now we're approaching the 50 exponential moving average, which should be the support level, and then price is expected to continue rising. So all in all, it's an uptrend, although consolidation and even return to this level at 60.80 is possible prior to the continuation of the uptrend. Now it seems like consolidation might take place. It could go for quite an extended period of time, although I do consider the fact that it is September now. The trends are likely to be strong, not like in summer during the summer period, because you saw how, for example, Australian Swiss franc, how long it has been consolidating nearly all summer. So now it's time for the trend. I don't think there will be a long consolidation. I think it should be fast, just based on the fact that it is September and there is a lot of trading going on. And that's it for today, guys. Don't forget to like, of course, if you enjoyed the video, and subscribe to the channel, ask your questions down below. And also, if you want, you can join our premium signals group, the link in the description of the video. Thank you all for watching. I'll get back to you tomorrow with new analysis, and of course we will be running through all previously made analysis and ideas just to update you on what is happening. Take care, guys. I wish you a great day and of course profitable trading.